Hey everyone, welcome back to Hall Makeover series episode 3.
Can newspaper and thread spools become this?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, now I am curious too. Let's begin.
Yes, by the end of the video you won't believe that this is made from newspaper.
Let's start with the base. We're rolling newspaper tightly.
Yes, first I'm rolling the newspaper tightly and we need totally 4 tubes. For this we need only simple materials, newspaper, super clay, yarn and thread spools, that's it.
Honey, this is the perfect idea for our Hall Makeover series episode 3, right?
Yes, now I'm inserting tubes into one another and making a circle with this. Be careful while doing this. After making your desired circle, apply glue at the starting point. Here, I'm using B7000 here because it won't come off easily.
Here we need to apply glue until the end because for a strong base, am I right, honey?
Yes, we need to apply glue all along the circle for a strong base. Okay, now the strong base is ready for our project. Now I will cover this circle with masking tape.
And if you're making this with us, comment below.
Wrapping slowly gives a clean and neat finish. Do it carefully and slowly.
Yeah, now it's time for using thread spools.
Yes, thread spools are commonly available material in all our households, right? Instead of throwing this, you can do this type of projects. Here I am wrapping entire thread spool with pink color woolen. Totally I am making 3 thread spools like this.
And guess this project doesn't need much time and money. You can make easily at your home.
Yes, handmade crafts always look so special and beautiful, right?
Okay, now you made 3 of this. What will you do next, honey?
Now I'm taking super clay, or you can also use air dry clay, and making tiny animals for this project.
What? Animals with clay? Oh, they are going to be super cute.
First I'm starting with cute bunny and I'm shaping the head and body parts. It should look like as it is holding the thread spool. Carefully attach hands and legs at the top and bottom of thread spool.
Okay, now you are adding facial details to Bunny. Okay.
Honey, I think these animals are the highlighting part in this project, right?
Yes, these animals are the highlighting part in our entire project. Here I'm attaching head of bunny at the top of thread spool. Hey, guess what it is? I'm making a beautiful fox.
This fox is too cute, honey. And you're making something new today.
Now I'm sticking this fox on left corner of circle. Again use strong glue here because it won't come out of easily. Attach thread spool in the front of body. It should look like holding the flower pot. Now I am making cute elephant with purple color clay. Here I am making totally 3 cute animals.
Okay, what did you made? Elephant, bunny and fox, right? That too cute, honey.
Here I am inserting a pin between head and body because the face won't move easily. Now I am sticking elephant in the right corner of circle. Again I am attaching thread spool in the front.
Okay, now I think you will attach bunny in the center, right? Wow, it's looking awesome.
Now it's painting part. I am painting the entire ring with yellow acrylic color.
Now comes the most beautiful part, making the flowers.
For this, I am taking a small cup and applying acrylic color at the bottom. Now I am adding some styrofoam balls here. Now mix it with your finger until all balls get even pink color. See, now all the balls turn pink.
Okay, now you will attach these balls to the drinking straw, okay? It's amazing idea, honey.
Yes, really the flowers are super cute than I am expected. I am making totally 5 flowers like this. Now I am making sky blue color flowers in the same manner.
Okay, the flowers are ready, I think. Now you will insert these flowers into the thread spools, right?
Yes, now I am attaching a small piece of cardboard at the bottom of thread spool so that flowers won't fall at the bottom.
The DIY already looking super cute, honey. Have got an amazing idea.
Yes, the project is already looking super cute with the tiny animals. Now for making a tassel at the bottom, I am taking woolen and wrapping it between my 4 fingers. I am making a simple tassel by tying knot at the top. Here I am using pink color to my choice. You can use any type of color.
Now you are tying this tassel at the bottom of ring, right?
Yes, carefully tie the tassel exact center. For hanging this to the wall, I am adding thread at the top so that we can easily hang this to the nail.
Okay, everyone, we are almost there. Thank you for staying till now.
Pause a second for the final look.
Are you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3.
This is our DIY, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the Hall Makeover series episode 4.
Bye bye.